The Philippine National Police has issued an alert to police commanders to locate suspended Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo, PNP personnel will assist the Senate Sergeant-at-Arms in serving the warrant of arrest. The arrest order stems from Mayor Guo's refusal to appear in a Senate inquiry on human trafficking, serious illegal detention, and physical abuse and torture violations at Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations or POGO Hub.
Ay nag-provide nga po ng assistance ang PNP para mag-provide po para bigyan po ng security yung mga personnel po ng Senate Sergeant-at-Arms at sa ngayon po ay yun pa rin po yung ating arrangement po sa kanila, yung ating mga respective regional directors, mga chief of police kung saan po nandoon yung mga areas na naka-address po yung mga subject po ng warrant of arrest.